All right, hey guys, here's part 2. Um, so we're going to pick up at example 7. Remember we were replacing u's. So here, u is a little bit different here. We probably want u to be x to the 1/3. All right, so we can get that u to become a u, or sorry, that x to 1/3 become a u. So here we'll have 3u squared, right? Because 1/3 times 2 is 2/3. Minus 11, x to the 1/3 is u, minus 4 equals 0. And now you can do multiplies, your AC method, to get to negative 12. Adds to get to negative 11. So what multiplies to negative 12? 12 and 1, negative 12 and 1 make negative 11. And we're going to put those 3 u's up top. So 3u plus 1 is one of them. And these simplify down to u minus 4 is the other one, equals 0. So here you have 3u plus 1 equals 0, or u minus 4 equals 0. So add 1, divide by 3, subtract 1, negative 1/3. And then add 4, u equals 4. So again, remember those aren't your answers though. We have to say x to the 1/3 equals negative 1/3. And x to the 1/3 equals 4. So here we're going to multiply, raise it to the power of 3 over 1, both sides, to get rid of that 1/3. So here we'll have x. Negative 1/3 cubed is negative 1 over 27. There's one answer. And again, we're going to raise this to the power of 3 over 1, both sides, to get rid of that rational exponent. And 4 cubed is 64. So there's my two answers. Absolute values. Remember, this could be a 5 or a negative 5, because the absolute value of 5 is 5, and the absolute value of negative 5 is 5. So we know 2x minus 1 can equal 5, or we know 2x minus 1 can equal negative 5. So those are what we're working with. Add 1 to both sides, and divide by 2. So there's one of my answers. And then add 1 to both sides, and divide by 2. There's my other answer. You do want to check these, so let's go ahead and check them. What do we got? 2 times 3 is 6 minus 1, and the absolute value of 5 is 5. The other one, let's see. Absolute value of 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 minus 1. And the absolute value of negative 5 is 5. So we're good. Here, get your absolute value alone first. So 4, 1 minus 2x. We're going to add 20 to both sides. Then we're going to divide both sides by 4. And again, this could equal 5 or negative 5. So 1 minus 2x can equal 5. Or 1 minus 2x can equal negative 5, and it would still be true. Subtract 1 will be 4. So x equals negative 2 is one of my answers. And here subtract 1 and divide by negative 2. X equals 3. It looks like the same set of answers. Again, check them, plug them in, but they do both work. And last but not least, so this one wants to know what annual income corresponds with watching TV 44.6 hours a week. So there's my hours. I'm going to plug it in, 44.6. And we want to know what income corresponds with that. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 67.6 from both sides. So you get negative 23, negative 2.3, and this is just that application. Divide both sides by negative 2.3. And we get 10 equals the square root of I. We're going to square both sides. So you get I equals 100. So your income being a 100, let's see. Sorry. Income in thousands. So 100,000. And you can put some zeros if they're in there if you want. $100,000 income is what corresponds to watching 44.6 hours of TV a week. All right, that's it, guys. Bye.